Introducing the ZOLL AED Plus fully automatic defibrillator from First Aid Accident and Emergency. This is a state-of-the-art defibrillator which will give you real-time feedback when you're doing CPR on a patient. But let me show you what's included in the pack. Number one, we've got a wall cabinet which is powered by just a 9-volt battery. This should be checked on the 1st of April every year, and the alarm will go off and the strobe light will flash when the door is opened. It can be turned on and off as well if you do not want this feature. We've also included some great wall signage to help you manage your defibrillator and look after a patient. Number one, 3 basic steps on managing a patient. Number two, the doctor's ABCD wall chart as governed by the Australian Resuscitation Council in Australia. And number three, where your defibrillator is with the green AED wall sign. All of these wall charts comply with the First Aid Code of Practice within your organisation and Australia. We've also included a maintenance checklist on how to manage your defibrillator on a monthly basis if you wish to do so. Quite simply, you need to make sure that you check the defibrillator monthly to make sure it's ready to go. And this can be done by quite simply checking the green LED indicator to make sure it's still a green tick and it's ready to go. Also, the expiry dates on the pad pack within this device are still within date. If you need to replace any of this, you can contact First Aid Accident and Emergency and we can organise to recommission your device. Congratulations once again on purchasing the state-of-the-art ZOLL AED Plus fully automatic defibrillator from First Aid Accident and Emergency.